The City of Stillwater is now collecting responses to its resident survey. Participants are asked to answer 19 brief questions based on city topics the city regularly hears from residents. To access the survey, go to stillwater.org and click on the link on the front page. This link will take you directly to the survey website. No internet access? Paper copies of the survey are available at City Hall, 723 South Lewis Street, and at the Stillwater Public Library, 1107 South Duck Street. The survey will also run in the city's Sunday News Press ad October 26th and November 2nd. To return your survey, mail it to City Hall at P.O. Box 1449, zip code 74076, or drop it off at City Hall, 723 South Lewis Street, or at any city drop box. You can also fax your survey to 405-742-8208. Surveys will be accepted through Wednesday, November 5th. For more information about the survey, go to stillwater.org or email news@stillwater.org.